Hello students, now in unit number 1 limit we are going to start our last topic, not last but second last, sums based on power series. Okay, first of all we have to learn what is power series. Okay, in previous standards you learn AP and GP, arithmetic and geometric progression. The series which is not AP or GP, it is called power series. For example, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus till n number is given, it is called sigma n, and the formula of sigma n is n plus 1 divided by 2. This is formula of sigma n. You have to remember only 3 formula for this method. Number 2, if 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square till n square is given, till n square, it is equals to sigma n square, and the formula of sigma n square is n by 6 n plus 1 into 2n plus 1. Okay, and third one is 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube till n cube. It is denoted by sigma n cube, and sigma n cube is equals to n square upon n plus 1 whole square divided by 4, but it is nothing, it is only sigma n whole square. Okay, so you have to remember this 3 formula. And one more important thing, when limit n tends to infinity, 1 upon n equals to 0. Okay, that means 1 divided by infinity equal to 0. પછી તમે 1 upon n square, 5 upon n square, 5 upon n cube, 10 upon n, કોઈ પણ નંબર આપ્યો હોય, any number divided by infinity should always be equals to 0. Okay, so for this method you have to remember only these 4 formulas. Okay, now examples based on this method. Evaluate sum number 1. Limit n tends to infinity. See, n is always given by infinity. N tends to always infinity in this method. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus till n number upon 2n square plus 5. Okay, what is this? This is sigma n. Okay, so can I write limit n tends to infinity sigma n divided by 2n square plus 5. Okay, and we know formula of sigma n is n plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, now putting this formula in numerator, we get limit n tends to infinity sigma n equal to n plus 1 divided by 2, and denominator માં બીજું શું આપ્યું છે તો કે 2n square plus 5. Okay, now taking 1 by 2 constant, 1 by 2 as constant, 1 by 2 ને બહાર લઈ લઈએ તો 1 by 2 limit n tends to infinity. Now multiply both the terms in numerator, n square plus n, in denominator 2n square plus 5. Okay, now see which is highest term in numerator and denominator both. You have to pick highest term only. Which is highest term? C, n square, and here also n square is highest term. Okay, so dividing numerator and denominator by n square. તો આ મેથડમાં એક જ યાદ રાખવાનું કે હાઈએસ્ટ ટર્મ કઈ છે, જે હાઈએસ્ટ ટર્મ હોય એનાથી ડિવાઈડ કરી દેવાનું. સો 1 by 2 limit n tends to infinity n square plus n divided by 2, sorry not 2, highest term n square whole divided by 2n square plus 5 upon n square. Okay, and we will get it is equals to 1 by 2 limit n tends to infinity Okay. Now see numerator n square plus n upon n square. Okay, now splitting of terms, n square by n square plus n by n square. What left? N square cancel, so only 1 left, and here n cancel, 1 upon n left. So numerator is 1 plus 1 upon n. Similarly, if we split terms in denominator, what happen? N square upon n square cut, 2 left, plus 5 upon n square, 5 upon n square. Okay. Now see, earlier we learned that 1 upon n, when n tends to infinity, 1 upon n equal to 0. So it is equals to 1 by 2. ચાલો લિમિટ અપ્લાય કરીએ એટલે શું થશે? 1 plus 0 upon 2 plus 0. Why? Because limit n tends to infinity, 1 upon n is equals to always 0. So what is our answer? 1 by 2 into bracket. What left? 1 plus 0, 1, 2 plus 0, 2. 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 4 is our answer. Okay, now sum number 2. Limit n tends to infinity, 1 plus 2 plus 3 till plus n upon n plus 3 n plus 4. Okay. First of all, numerator is equals to what? Sigma n. So we can put limit n tends to infinity, sigma n divided by n plus 3 into n plus 4. Okay. Now putting formula of sigma n, limit n tends to infinity, sigma n equal to n of n plus 1 divided by 2 into n plus 3 and n plus 4. Okay. See, હવે મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરવાની જરૂર નથી, એમને જોઈ લો કે ભાઈ n into n means in numerator n square is highest term, અને આ બેને મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરીએ તો પણ શું આવે? n square. એટલે આપણે મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરીને થોડું આપણું કામ નથી વધારવું, ડાયરેક્ટ યાદ રાખો. જો પ્લસમાં હોય તો આમ જવાનું n square plus n હોય તો હાઈએસ્ટ ટર્મ n square. But in multiplication we have to multiply both the terms and we will get n square is highest term. Same procedure in denominator, n into n equal to n square. તો highest term કઈ ગણાય? n નહીં, બંનેને મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરતા જે ચાલો મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરી જ દઈએ એટલે તમને કન્ફ્યુઝન ન થાય. તો લિમિટ n ટેન્ડ્સ ટુ ઇન્ફિનિટી, n into n square plus n. In denominator, two constant, n into n square plus 3n plus 4n becomes 7n and 4 3s are 12. Okay. Now see which is highest term in numerator and denominator, by n square. So dividing both numerator and denominator by n square, we will get it is equals to limit n tends to infinity, n square plus n divided by n square whole divided by 2 n square plus 7n plus 12 divided by n square. Okay. You can take 1 by 2 as constant number, એ પણ લઈ શકાય, like 1 by 2 constant. તો શું વધશે? લિમિટ x tends to n is given, n tends to infinity, n square upon n square is 1 plus n upon n square 1 upon n whole divided by n square upon n square 1 plus 7n upon n square 7 upon n plus 12 upon n square as it is 12 upon n square. Okay. Now limit n tends to infinity and we know very well 1 upon n equal to 0. So 1 by 2 into 1 plus 1 upon n equal to 0 upon 1 plus 7 upon n 0, 12 upon n square also 0. So what is our answer? 1 by 2 multiplied by 1. It is equals to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is our answer. Okay, our next sum is limit n tends to infinity, sigma n square upon n cube. See here directly sigma n square is given. આપણે સીધી ફોર્મ્યુલામાં ફોર્મ્યુલા પુટ કરીને સોલ્વ કરી નાખીએ. तो लिमिट n टेंड्स टू इंफिनिटी सिग्मा n स्क्वायर फॉर्मूला इज n/6 डायरेक्ट नीचे पुट कर दઉં છું n+1 into 2n+1 divided by n3. चलो आप n कैंसल थी जाए तो कितना बचे n². ओके लिमिट n टेंड्स टू इंफिनिटी. नाउ मल्टीप्लाई बोथ द ब्रैकेट्स इन न्यूमरेटर 2n into n 2n² plus n into 1 plus n 1 into 2n plus 2n plus 2 divided by 6n². Okay, taking 1/6 constant, 1/6 constant, what left? Limit n tends to infinity 2n² plus n plus n 2n equal to 3n, 3n plus 2 divided by n². ओके चलो हवे तो ऊपर नीचे डिवाइड करवानी जरूर नहीं n² थी कारण के नीचे सिंगल टर्म है એટલે डायरेक्ट डिवाइड कर दो n² थी. डिवाइडिंग ईच टर्म बाय n² and we will get 1/6 limit n tends to infinity 2n² by n² plus 3n by n² plus 2 by n². Okay, now it is equals to 1/6 limit n tends to infinity. Okay, now n² cancel out, what left? 2 plus n cancel out, what left? 3 by n plus 2 by n². Okay, now applying the limit when n tends to infinity, if denominator is n, answer is 0. 1/6 2 plus 0 plus 0 because of limit n tends to infinity 1 upon n equals to 0. Okay, now what left? 1/6 multiplied by 2. 2 3s are 6, so our answer is 1/3. 1/3 is our answer. Okay, next sum, it is also regarding n². Limit n tends to infinity 1² plus 2² p n² upon 7n³ minus 5n plus 3. Okay, first of all numerator is equals to what? Sigma n². So limit n tends to infinity sigma n² upon 7n³ minus 5n plus 3. Okay, now putting value of sigma n², limit n tends to infinity sigma n² is n/6. 6 આપણે પછી લખીએ n+1 into 2n+1 whole divided by 6. तो फॉर्मूला में जाए 7n³ minus 5n plus 3. ओके चलो 1/6 कांस्टेंट बाहर ले लिए 1/6 limit n tends to infinity n into multiply these two brackets 2n² plus n into 1 એટલે n plus 2n એટલે finally 3n direct step મૂકું છું plus 1 divided by 7n³ minus 5n plus 3. Okay, now see which is highest term. ऊपर આપણે multiply કરીએ તો શું થઈ જાય 2n into n, it is equals to 2n³. So n³ is highest term and in denominator also n³ is highest term. So dividing numerator and denominator by n³. So equals to 1/6 limit n tends to infinity n 2n² plus 3n plus 1 divided by n³ whole divided by 7n³ minus 5n plus 3 upon n³. Okay, now dividing each term by n³ and we will get 1/6 limit n tends to 0 sorry infinity. चलो आ एक n कट कर दिए तो कितना વધે અહીંયા n² વધશે એટલે 2n² plus 3n plus 1 divided by n² whole divided by 7n cube minus 5n plus 3 upon n cube equals to 1 by 6 limit n tends to infinity. Okay, now dividing each term by n square. 2n square upon n square equals to 2 plus 3n upon n square becomes 3 upon n plus 1 upon n square as it is 1 upon n square whole divided by 7n cube upon n cube 7 minus 5n upon n cube, the n cancel, 5 upon n square plus 3 upon n cube. Okay, now 1 by 6 as it is, applying the limit 2 plus 0 plus 0 નીચે n આવે એટલે 0 મૂકી દેવાનું, જોવાનું નહીં કાંઈ આવે. 7 plus minus sign છે, minus 0 plus 0. Okay, now it is equals to 1 by 6 as it is into numerator 2 upon 7. So what is our answer? 2 3s are 6 and we will get 1 upon 7 3s are 21. Our answer is 1 by 21. Next sum, limit n tends to infinity 1 cube plus 2 cube plus till n cube upon n square 1 plus 2 till n. See, it is indicate as sigma n cube and this one is sigma n. Okay, so question is limit n tends to infinity sigma n cube upon n square into what? Sigma n. Okay, 1 plus 2 plus till n is sigma n. And earlier we learned that sigma n cube, what is formula? N square n plus 1 whole square divided by 4. It is nothing but sigma n whole square. आज formula थी बराबर. तो આપણે અહીંયા સમ શોર્ટમાં બતાવીએ આ રીતે. Limit n tends to infinity sigma n cube because is equal to sigma n whole square. See, you have to write sigma n whole square, not sigma n square. આનો meaning ફરી જશે બરાબર. Upon n square as it is into sigma n. Okay, sigma n square sigma n cancel. તો શું વધ્યું? Limit n tends to infinity sigma n upon n square is left. Okay, and what is formula of sigma n? તો કે ખાસ ક્યુબ કાઢી નાખો, અહીંથી સ્ક્વેર કાઢી નાખો, અહીં 2 આવી જશે. ફોર્મ્યુલા શું થશે? સિગ્મા n ઇક્વલ ટુ લિમિટ n ટેન્ડ્સ ટુ ઇન્ફિનિટી sigma n equal to n plus 1 divided by 2 into n square तो चलो n cancel out and finally we get 1 by 2 constant. Limit n tends to infinity n plus 1 divided by n. Now dividing both the terms by n, so 1 by 2 limit n tends to infinity 1 plus 1 upon n left, it is equals to 1 by 2 1 plus 0. So our answer is 1 by 2 into 1 1 by 2 is our answer. Okay, now last sum of this method, because we taking 2 sums based on sigma n, 2 on sigma n square and 2 sums on sigma n cube. Okay, see sigma limit n tends to infinity 4 1 cube 2 cube till n cube, it is equals to what? Sigma n cube upon n raised to 4 is given. Okay, see limit n tends to infinity 4 into sigma n cube divided by n raised to 4. Okay, so keeping 4 constant n એમ નામ રહેવા દઈએ આપણે. Limit n tends to infinity 4 as it is. What is formula of sigma n cube? Sigma n cube is equals to sigma n whole square. That means n square n plus 1 whole square divided by 4 is formula. चलो तो 4 as it is आणि formula put करो तो n square n plus 1 whole square divided by 4 into n raised to 4. Okay, is it okay? चलो n 4 as it is and formula 4 4 cancel out, n square cancel out, so what left? Only n square. So it is equals to limit n tends to infinity n plus 1 whole square divided by n square. How it is looking like a plus b whole square. Expand numerator, limit n tends to infinity n square plus 2n plus 1 upon n square. Okay, expansion of n plus 1 whole square, first term square into 2 into first into second term plus last term square divided by n square. Now dividing each term by n square, it is equals to limit n tends to infinity n square by n square plus 2n by n square plus 1 by n square. Okay, now n square cancel out. What left? 1 plus n cancel out, what left? 2 upon n plus 1 upon n square. And we know when n tends to infinity 1 upon n square n cube equals to always 0. નીચે n આવે એટલે હંમેશા આન્સર શું થઈ જાય? 0. ક્યારે ઇન્ફિનિટી હોય ત્યારે, બરાબર ને? તો 1 plus 0 plus 0, so it is equals to 1. Okay, so now here we completed our this topic here, and I hope you will understand all sums. You can understand all sums. Okay.